Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to get a macOS like cursor on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So for this, first use the link in the description and go to this page. Now move to the Files tab. Here you should see this macOS Pixel Windows zip file. Click this download icon to download it. Now wait for it to prepare the download file. Now click on this download button. Once the file is downloaded, open it. You will then need to extract the file. Simply select the file and choose the extract all option. Once you have extracted the file, open it. Now go to this folder. Here you should see this install.inf. Right click on it and select install. Once you have installed the file, go to your desktop. Now right click anywhere on an empty spot. Now choose personalize. In the settings window that opens, scroll down and click on themes. Here you should see this mouse cursor option. Click on it. In the mouse cursor, click this drop down menu and select this macOS Pixel option. Now hit apply and then OK. Now you should see a macOS like cursor on your Windows computer. You can also see the other options like for this resizing the window, or you will see different options when clicking on a link, for example. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.